This year's graduation is special for many reasons. Firstly, graduation is always the best event on the university calendar because it's when we come together as a community and celebrate successes. But of course this year is just such a celebration of emerging from the pandemic, of being here together face to face and being on our beautiful University of Wollongong campus.
So the university has moved heaven and earth these past 2 weeks to bring graduation back on campus. We were due to do it in WIN Entertainment Centre, and for reasons beyond our control, a couple of weeks ago we were told that wasn't possible. And it's just been a huge team effort, rolling up sleeves, all hands on deck, because we wanted to have a really big celebration. And I'm so delighted that we've been able to spruce up and repurpose the sports hub. We're going to have 2,200 people at each ceremony.
I walk into an auditorium that is world-class and exhilarating. And I think this tells us about what we can do. We're a can-do community, can-do university. And more importantly, I look forward to welcoming the community onto our campus.
In another respect, graduation is different this year from previous years because we've been able to partner with the Indigenous Strategy Unit to integrate Aboriginal practices and customs in our ceremony. So this is a major departure for what we've done in the past. It's consistent with the university's commitment to working with Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander communities in the spirit of reconciliation. And of course, it has flagged most recently by the university's commitment to the Uluru Statement of the Heart.
I think this is an important milestone in the lives of just not our students, but the families. It's great to see the students coming from a bachelor's degree through to our honorary doctorates and our emeriti. It's just such a great celebration of what a university is. It's about intellectual achievement, it's about pushing boundaries, and it's about making a difference in our world.